Hello everyone, I am Devansh Shah. In computer architecture, there are many types of memories, like main memory in which we have RAM and ROM, cache memory, auxiliary memory, associative memory, and etc. many more. But today we will discuss about associative memory. What is associative memory? To search a particular data in memory, data is read from certain address and compared. If match is not found, content of the next address is accessed and compared. This goes until it required data is found. The number of access dependent on location of data, efficiency of searching algorithm. This searching time can be reduced if data is searched on the basis of the content. What is auxiliary memory? Actually, a memory unit accessed by content is called associative memory, and we gave this memory a second name, content addressable memory (CAM) or associative memory storage or associative array. This type of memory is accessed simultaneously and in parallel on the basis of the content. Memory is capable of finding empty unused location to store the world. This is the associative memories hardware architecture in which we have one argument register uh, which has n bits, a key register which has also n bits, associative memory array, a match register which has also n bits, and one output, input, read and write. Associative memory is organized in such a way that we have all these components. And what is argument register? It contains the word to be searched. It has n bits. जिस जिस जो भी वर्ड है उसको हमें सर्च करना है उसको हम आर्ग्यूमेंट रजिस्टर बोलते हैं. What is key register? They specify which part of argument word needs to be compared with words in memory. If all bits in register are 1, the entire word should be compared. Otherwise, only the bits having k bit set of 1 will be compared. We will see in the example. What is associative memory array? It contains the word which are to be compared with the argument word. जो भी हमने जो मेमोरी है वो जो हमें आर्गुमेंट रजिस्टर है उसका जो वर्ड हमें फाइंड करना होगा वो हम एसोसिएटिव मेमोरी के array से हम फाइंड करेंगे. What is match register? It has m bits, one bit corresponding to each word in the memory array. After the matching process, the bits corresponding to matching words in match register are set to 1. This is the also architecture of associative memory in which we have one input, one write. We have many OR gates, AND gates, and NOT gates in this architecture. Key register provides the mask for choosing the particular field in a register. There are two types of mask, unmasked and masked characters. The entire content of a register is compared if key register content all 1. Otherwise, only bit that have 1 in key register are compared. If the compared data is matched, corresponding bits in the match register are set. Here you can see that A, which is called argument register 101, is unmasked and उसके जो पीछे के बिट है वो सब masked है. के की रजिस्टर जिसमें हम अनमास्क जो होते हैं उसको हम सारे को 1 दे देते हैं और बाकी सबको कोई भी दे सकते हैं. यहाँ पे वर्ड वन वर्ड टू और वो सब हमने जो एरे बनाया वो जो मेमोरी में एरे है वही है। और अभी हम वन बाय वन वर्ड जो भी जितने भी वर्ड होंगे उसको हम के साथ कंपेयर करके हम उसको ए के साथ कंपेयर करेंगे और जो भी मैच होगा वो डेटा हमको मिलेगा। जैसे यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं कि वर्ड वन का अनमैच्ड डेटा है 100 और के का जो अनमैच्ड डेटा है वो 11 है। तो हम यहाँ पे देखेंगे तो वर्ड वन और ए उसमें से सिर्फ 100 ही कॉमन आ रहा है। उसमें हमें चाहिए 101, इसलिए वो मैच नहीं होता, उसको हम नो मैच कहेंगे। और वर्ड टू में देखेंगे तो 101 को हम अगर मल्टीप्लाई करें के साथ तो उसका आंसर 101 आएगा। और जो हमें चाहिए आर्ग्यूमेंट रजिस्टर 101 वही हमें मिल जाता है यहाँ पे, तो वो मैच हो गया। इस तरह से एसोसिएटिव मेमोरी का वर्क करती है। Let us include key register. If kj equal to 0, then there is no need to compare aj and fij. Only when kj equal to 1 comparison is needed. This is the formula of mi. This is the architecture of associative memory. In associative memory, we have two operations, read and write. What is write operation? If the entire memory is loaded with the new information at once prior to search operation, then writing can be done by addressing each location in sequence. Tag register contains as many bits as there are words in memory. It contains 1 for active and 0 for inactive. If we have 1 in match register, then जो कि आर्ग्यूमेंट रजिस्टर है और जो हमारा एरे है वो सब दोनों मैच हो जाएंगे तो हमें वो आंसर मिलेगा वहां पे। If the word is to be inserted, tag register is scanned until 0 is found and word is written at that position and bit is changed to 1. What is read operation? So when a word is to be read from an associative memory, the contents of the word or a part of the word is specified. जो हमें specify करना होता है कि किस part को हम search करना चाहते हैं। If more than one word match with the content, all the matched words will have one in the corresponding bit position in the match register. Matched words are then read in sequence by applying a read signal to each word line. In most applications, the associative memory stores a table with no two identical items or under a given key. It is a hardware search engines, a special type of computer memory used in certain very high searching applications, composed of architecture semiconductor memories with added comparison circuitry that enable to a search operation to complete in single clock cycle. SRAM in a type of semiconductor memory that uses bistable latching circuitry to be stored in. जो हम यहाँ पे एसोसिएटिव मेमोरी है वो हम अगर हमारी फाइल एक्सप्लोरर और उसमें देखेंगे तो उसमें भी हमें सर्च और उसका ऑप्शन मिलता है। तो वहाँ पे हम देखेंगे कुछ भी सर्च करेंगे तो उसके रिलेटेड जो भी जितने भी हमारे लैपटॉप में या कंप्यूटर में जितना भी डेटा होगा वो सब हमको डिस्प्ले होता है। जैसे गूगल हो गया, गूगल में भी हम थोड़ा सा ही पार्ट लिखते हैं पर ऑटोमेटिकली हमें कई सारे ऑप्शंस दिखाता है कि उसके डेटाबेस में जो भी स्टोर है वो हमें दिखाता है। वैसे ही यूट्यूब हो गया वो और कई सारे प्लेटफॉर्म है जो एसोसिएटिव मेमोरी पे वर्क करते हैं। There are two types of associative memory which both are used in different conditions. First is auto-associative and second is hetero-associative. Firstly, we show auto-associative. Auto-associative memory takes back a previously stored pattern that most closely resembles the current pattern. जो प्रीवियस पैटर्न है उसके आजू बाजू का ही जो नया पैटर्न बनेगा वही बनेगा हमारा, वो एसोसिएटिव मेमोरी है। और दूसरा टाइप है हेट्रो एसोसिएटिव। तो हेट्रो एसोसिएटिव मेमोरी, the retrieve pattern is in general different from the input pattern, not only in content but possibly also in type and format. Neural networks are used to implement these associative memory models called NAM, neutral associative memory. There are some advantages and disadvantages of associative memory. Advantages of associative memories are: this is a suitable for parallel searches. It is also used where search time needs to be short. अगर हमें कम से कम समय में ज़्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन सर्च करनी है तो हम एसोसिएटिव मेमोरी का यूज कर सकते हैं. Associative memory is often used to speed up databases in neural networks and in the page tables used by virtual memory of modern computers. CAM design's challenge is to reduce power consumption associated with the large amount of parallel activity circuitry without sacrificing speed or memory density. जो भी हम सर्च करेंगे वो जितने कम समय में हमको चाहिए उतने कम समय में हमको एसोसिएटिव मेमोरी प्रोवाइड करेगा, ताकि हम हमारा जो भी टाइम है वो बच सके. What is the disadvantages of associative memory? And associative memory is more expensive. अगर हमें कम से कम समय में काम चाहिए तो उस चीज के तो हम ज्यादा पैसे लगते हैं. तो it is more expensive than a random access memory because each cell must have an extra storage capability as well as logic circuits for matching its content with an external argument. हमें जो भी सर्च करवाना है उसके साथ मैच करने के लिए सभी जो हमें सेल है उसमें एक अलग लॉजिक सर्किट डालनी पड़ेगी. इसके वजह से उसकी जो प्राइसिंग है वो हमारी जो रैम है उससे भी ज्यादा हो जाती है. And usually associative memories are used in applications where search time is very crucial and must be very short. Thank you.